Hello students, the last lecture we have studied about the electromagnetic wave propagation in a perfect dielectric, that is nothing but lossless medium. Now in the today's lecture we see about the numerical on lossless medium, one of the numerical. So we see now the example that numerical, a 15 gigahertz plane wave traveling in a medium has an amplitude E0 is equal to 20 volt per meter. Find the phase velocity, propagation constant, impedance, and assume epsilon r is equal to 2 and mu r is equal to 5. So problem statement says that we are having a 15 gigahertz plane wave which is traveling in a medium, and that is a perfect medium and has an amplitude of E0, that is a 20 volt per meter. And also we need to find out the phase velocity and v, that is, and propagation constant, that is gamma, and impedance, that is eta, and we have to assume that epsilon r is 2 and mu r is 5, right? And it has appeared now in one of the question paper. Now here in a perfect dielectric medium, so let us go to the solution. Perfect dielectric medium, we need to assume that sigma is equal to 0. That is what perfect dielectric medium is, lossless medium. So first one, for lossless medium sigma is 0. What will be your phase constant? It is directly given by beta is equal to omega root of mu into E. So here omega is nothing but equal to 2 pi f, root of mu is mu naught mu r, epsilon is epsilon naught epsilon r, and the next is what? Put the value of frequency, 2 pi f into 15 into 9, 10 raised to 9, root of mu naught 4 pi 10 raised to minus 7, mu r, that is 5, and mu epsilon naught, it is 8.854 10 raised to minus 12, and epsilon r is 2. Now after simplification we get the phase constant beta 994.136 radian per meter, right? Now next, hence propagation constant, this is a phase constant. We want our next propagation constant, that is gamma is equal to alpha plus j beta. So alpha is 0 means what? Just remaining is j beta. So beta is already calculated, so therefore the value it will be 994.13 at an angle of 90 degree per meter. Now next, second one we want to find out is velocity. Phase constant is over, propagation constant is over, we need to find out velocity. Velocity is c by root of mu r epsilon r. C is 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by root of 5 into 2. So value will be 0.9486 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. This is the value for velocity of the propagation for a perfect dielectric. Next we want the intrinsic impedance, and intrinsic impedance is given by the value eta is equal to root of mu by epsilon, where after simplification it will be eta naught into root of mu r by epsilon r. What is eta naught? 120 pi. And what is mu r and epsilon r? Those are 5 and 2. So therefore after simplification it will be 596.0753 ohms. So this is the value of eta. So therefore this is one of the example on numerical on a lossless medium, that is a perfect dielectric. Thank you.